Pakantahon na to si Angel be kay dugay na ko kadungog si Angel kay naama ko Las Digos, nga na ako ris Davao, dili na ko nagsara ko makauli ba. Jel, kanta Jel. Oh. Aysa magkanta si Angel.
She smells like she used to smell way back then. She's feeling like she used to feel way back when they tried. But something kept them waiting for this magic moment. Oh, maybe this time it'll be
Kanta na yun si
love
Angel.
and they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. Oh, she's back in his life, and it feels so right. So maybe this time, maybe this time, maybe this time. Love on it.
May palakpak dia, may mga kamay dia. Mato si Angel ha, daghang salamat Jeloy.
Tanawa.
Ay mo mga nindot nga kanta yun.
Bye-bye. Sabi ito ka na.